Hey guys, what's going on? Thank you for tuning into my channel today. We're gonna do a taste test on a recipe that I saw on YouTube last week by somebody named Emma's Goodies. It's a 3-ingredient chocolate cake and it looks fucking amazing. I saw the thumbnail, had to watch it, and it looks easy enough to make. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how it's made, step by step, and then at the very end of the video, I'm going to do a taste test and see if it actually is as good as it looks. So guys, stay tuned. It's gonna be good. So thanks for watching, guys. Peace. These are all you need. So first, go ahead and grind the cookies up into a fine powder. Use a food processor if you have one. Add in the baking powder. Mix it up. Pour in the milk. Mix it together. Now you can add the cookies in batches. It will be easier to mix. Once it's nice and thick, you can use an hand emulsion blender if you have one. It makes for a nice consistent batter. Okay, so go ahead and fill up a tray and bake it at 340 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Looks pretty good. Oh shit. Okay guys, this cake looks pretty good. It's nice and soft and moist. And for the frosting, we are going to use Nutella. Feel free to cut the corners off for presentation. Beautiful. Okay guys, let's see how this cake looks. And there you have it guys, 3-ingredient chocolate cake. Okay guys, so you saw how it's made, so let's see if it tastes good. It's more like a mix between a cake and a brownie. It's a bit of both. That tastes really good guys. Well, alright, so that's it guys, there you have it. It's about a 7 out of 10. I would make it again, so make it. Let me know what you guys think about it. So thanks for watching guys. Peace.